Hello everybody, Kit Lachlan here. We're going to take you through some exercises today which will help you with strength and balance. The first one assumes you're in a shower that has a good solid set of safety rails. You're warmed up, the water's been playing over your body, and you're ready to actually do some squats and to loosen up the lower back. And here's what we recommend. Hold on to the safety rails firmly, take a breath in and lift your chest at the same time. That'll help to straighten the upper back. And with the breath still held in, bend down as far as you can until you feel the heels starting to lift off the ground, because in time, as we progress this exercise, you'll find that your ankles will become much more flexible, and then come back up again. You might need to move your feet a bit closer to the support or a bit further away, and the only way you know exactly where to put your feet is to actually try the exercise. So this time we'll try to go down a bit lower. Again, we try to keep the feet completely flat on the ground and pointing straight ahead, and eventually, another breath in, lift the chest, go down a bit further. Eventually, you'll find you'll be able to get down this far like this, and you'll find a nice stretch in the lower back, and you'll also feel a stretch in the underlying calf muscle here, and a muscle called soleus, and that'll help to stretch your ankles. So come up a few times. I'll just run through the sequence now as though I were doing it rhythmically. So breathe in, lift the chest, and breathe out as you come up. Breathe in. As you get stronger and a bit more confident using the rails or your safety bars at home, try it with just a couple of fingers. And once you get a little bit more used to it than that, ask yourself, which muscles am I using to come up? If you find that you only feel the effect in the quadriceps here, we can change the emphasis to include the glutes by, when you're in the bottom position, thinking about pressing your heels into the floor rather than the whole of the foot. Doesn't look any different, but it will feel quite different. I'll just show you. Breath in, lift the chest, breath is held in, pause and push with the heels, and breathe out. And again, breathe in, and again. A few more form points. When you're setting your body up for the squat, just tilt the pelvis a little bit like this, or stick your bottom out if that makes more sense in terms of the direction. And the idea is that when you get down to about here, you'll feel that the ankles will be stretched a bit more, and you'll also feel quite a strong stretch in the bottom muscles as well, and you want that. The last little tip that I can give you for this exercise is, once you're in this bottom position, try pulling yourself forward like this towards the supports, all the while keeping the heels on the ground, and you'll find that will stretch the ankles and also stretch your lower back. It's a very pleasing sensation. And if you've got one of those showers where you can adjust the nozzle while you're working on the rails, have the water play over your lower back, and you can have the water a bit hotter than normal too, because you'll find that as you get a bit further away from the shower head, the water will be cooler. Altogether, these exercises are an excellent foundation for our later ones. They'll help to strengthen your thighs, they'll stretch the lower back out, and they'll help your ankles to become more flexible in time. Try it, you'll like it.